This is why I think when a tropical cyclone much earlier, maybe even midday on the 22nd of June. Here's a satellite picture of a clear, defined LSC convection. That's a cyclone. I mean, this is about 4 or 5 hours later. That's a cyclone. And let's go. And they were saying only 40% at this time, which is insane for 90L as of 8 p.m. on the 22nd. Um, Hers 850. Later, upwards of 3Z early on the 23rd. And then they boosted up at 2 a.m. on the 23rd to 70%. Then here, this is almost 10Z on the 23rd. Yeah, there's no crack in my mind of tropical cyclone 6 to 12 hours earlier. I mean, here at 8 a.m. June 23rd, that's 70%. Um, it's insane how conservative the NAC is. Look at that LSC at 15 UTC on the 23rd. Wow. Closed LSC based on AS gap. Yeah. Yeah. And as you can see, 40% at 8 p.m. on the 23rd. There's 23, almost 24 UTC on the 23rd, being sheared to hell. And actually, it was a tropical cyclone during this period. Wow, on the 22nd, it wasn't even a tropical cyclone. It's kept it at 40% for 2 a.m. on the 24th. Went up to 50% on the a.m. on the 24th, which they did take it back about a good amount of time, as you can see. 8:30 a.m. on the 24th, 70%. Finally woke up. I mean, we gained some convection for a while, but then reproofed at 13Z on the 24th. Yeah, upgraded at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the 24th. And as you can see, they went way back, extended way back, obviously, but you could actually, looking at this data, it was like a tropical cyclone a good 12 hours before. Yeah, I thought I'd make this second part because I wanted to argue that this thing was a tropical cyclone much earlier, and that's just the way it is.